They came back, but they couldn't get in. This parking lot has standard 90-degree parking spaces. A driver using a wheelchair parks here and has enough space to get out. They leave the vehicle and continue to the sidewalk. Then someone parks next to it. Now there's no access. Let's fix it. Instead of relying on the adjacent parking space for access, we provide 2 accessible parking spaces with a dedicated access aisle. Now, even when the neighboring space is occupied, the access aisle remains clear. The driver can reach the vehicle, get in, and leave. Accessible parking isn't just about the parking space. Access is part of the design.